In this webinar, we will be reviewing several aspects of insurance billing that an office may utilize when managing insurance claims for their patients. The first option we will discuss is reprinting an open claim. It is sometimes necessary to reprint or regenerate a claim that has already been submitted to the insurance company. If the claim is in open status, you can reprint from the Process Claim window. You can also view open claims. Click on the claim you want to print and click on Process. This will print the claim that is already in the open process. This will not modify the original date submitted since you are just reprinting an open claim. If any modifications need to be made, you can just make those changes prior to reprinting the claim. The next option is to recreate a closed claim. This will allow you to create a new claim for services that have already been walked out and that are not currently tied to an open insurance claim. Simply bring the patient up into the account screen. Select the services that should be assigned to this open claim. If there are multiple services, click on the first service and hit the control button while selecting the remaining services. Once the services are selected, click on the Smart Claim button in the upper right-hand corner of the account screen. This will create the new claim. You can select items for multiple dates, but not multiple patients. You can also add to an outstanding claim. Whenever you are creating claims from the account screen for multiple services, you have the ability to add those items to a claim that is already outstanding instead of creating an entirely new claim. In the account screen, you can choose the service code that is not already attached to an open claim. Right mouse click and go to Add to Outstanding Claim. You can use the Control key to select multiple items to add to the claim. Select the service and add to the selected claim. Choose OK to recreate the claim. And submit it. The next option we will review today is creating a claim for secondary insurance. There are two items to consider when creating a secondary insurance claim. Was the secondary insurance attached to the patient at the time of the walkout? And when the patient came in for their services, did you have the correct insurance listed? If the secondary insurance is attached at the time of the walkout, the secondary claim will automatically be created once the primary is closed. So if I select my patient and input the primary insurance payment and mark Final Payment, meaning I will be receiving no more money from the primary insurance payment, click Save and you have the option of print and submit the secondary claim. The second scenario is when the secondary insurance is not attached at the time of the walkout. Therefore, the secondary insurance was not available, so there was no estimation for the secondary. Let's choose a patient with completed services. You can see the primary insurance payment has been posted, and the secondary is not open because we did not have it listed. When the patient receives the statement with their portion of the services, they call in and ask that you submit to their secondary insurance. So you go to the Edit Patient screen and add the secondary insurance information. Select the services and right mouse click and choose Smart Claim. Your Estimate option allows you to recreate the secondary with no estimated insurance. This will create the claim, but the remaining balance stays on the patient portion. If you need the system to recalculate the insurance, it will be necessary to recreate the primary insurance claim, close it with a zero payment, and then create the secondary payment. You can now go to the Claims screen and view the claim. You can choose to change the insurance or employer information on the claim, and this will change it for the patients with this policyholder. You can change the employer on this claim only, or claim with all patients with the same policyholder option is available as well. Choose the employer you want to change it to. View the patients it's going to affect. Also within the claim screen, you can change the answers that appear on this insurance form. If you click on the claim, you have the Change Answers button. This is printed on the insurance form. Additional notes can be added manually or by using Auto Notes, which is located at the bottom of the screen. Now when you submit or print, the new answers will be on the claim form.